So lamai today we have to discuss homework paper 5. හරිද? මං හිතන්නේ ඕගලන් ඒක කරලා ඇති දැන්. වෙන කට්ටිය mute all upon entry. Unmute බෑ. Start video බෑ. හරි. So lamai let's now discuss homework paper 5. හරිද මේ homework paper 5 කියලා කියන්නේ අපේ මම දුන්න book එකේ paper එක, right? and also ළමයි හැමෝම මම මේක හැමෝටම දාන everyone should come on Saturday. හරිද? outstation ළමයි විතරක් කමක් නැහැ එන්න බැරි වුණාට everyone in Colombo come on Saturday, right? Everyone in Colombo come on Saturday. We are doing the final paper 9. ඒක නිසා everyone come on Saturday. We will at 9 a.m. you have to come. At 8:30 a.m. you have to come, right? ඇවිල්ලා අපි paper එක ලියලා ඉවර වෙලා අපිට පුළුවන් මේ we are distributing all the awards, and also I will be speaking to you all, and will be a final send off for the exam, right? So definitely don't miss this Saturday, right? මිස් කරන්න එපා. ෆොටෝස් අපි අරගෙන එහෙම කරලා අපි ඒක කරගමු. හරි. Right. So now let's take this paper class, practice papers. හරි ළමයි. ඕගලන් ගාව තියෙනවනේ answer scheme එක නේද? ළමයි, can you see my screen? Say yes or no if you see my screen. ළමයි, do you see my screen? Say yes or no. හරි. Right. So ළමයි මේ final practice paper 5 එක or homework paper 5 එක අපි දැන් බලමු. From the following, select the answer which contains only the characteristics of needs. Needs වල characteristic විතරක් තියෙන answer එක මොකක්ද? Fourth one. Right? Fourth one is the answer. ඇයි ඒ ළමයි the first one බැලුවොත් common varied නෑ. Varied නෑ. Okay? Needs are created by birth. That is correct ළමයි, but varied කියන එක නෑ. Second one, subjective. No, that's not subjective. Needs are common, right? Created by business limited hari. Created by businesses වැරදි. Limited common, subjective වැරදි. Cannot be influenced by social forces. Limited common. That is the correct answer. Okay. Second one ළමයි. Which of the following are included in the industrial sector? Industrial sector එකේ මොනවද අපිට තියෙන්නේ? Right? Mining and quarrying, manufacturing, construction තමයි industrial sector එකේ තියෙන්නේ. මේක තියෙන්නේ agriculture sector එකේ. First එක තියෙන්නේ agriculture sector එකේ. Fishing, manufacturing, construction වැරදි, because fishing is there, that's in agriculture. Mining and quarrying is hari, construction hari. Wholesale and retail lamai තියෙන්නේ මොකේද? සර්විස් සෙක්ටර් එකේ. හෝල්සේල් ඇන්ඩ් රීටේල් ළමයි තියෙන්නේ මොකේද? සර්විස් සෙක්ටර් එකේ. So ඒක වැරදි. මේව මාක් කරගන්න. Fifth one, real estate, electricity මේකේ මුකුත් නැහැ. Mining and quarrying අරග. So දෙවැනි එකට ළමයි උත්තරේ answer number 2. Third එක ළමයි. Which of the following parties are the most important for the existence of the business? Most important for the existence of the business owners. හරිද? Owners. දැන් මම ඔයගලන්ගෙන් පොඩි ප්‍රශ්නයක් අහනවා ළමයි. Who's more important? Customers or owners? Customers or owners? Put your put your answer ළමයි. Who's the most important? Customers or owners? Put the answer. Customers or owners most important? Balamu. Yes, it's the customers, lamai. Way more than the owners. It's the customers who are important. Terunada? Right. Okay. So owners, in this case, owners are more important. Now we are asking what are the ones which will generate opportunities and threats. Harida? Technology again. Opportunity threat එනවා. So ළමයි basically you need to select the external factors. Employees වැරදි, organizational structure වැරදි because they are internal, right? Resources are internal, managers are internal, right? So the answer is coming as answer number 3. Answer is coming as answer number 3. ඊළඟට අහනවා economic sustainable development වලටයි social sustainable development වලටයි what can you take for economic sustainable development and what can you take for social sustainable development හරිද so ළමයි um, there are 6 things like that, right? There are 6 things. From these 6 things economic ekata hondai B and E, right? B and E, introducing innovations, improve technology. C and F is good lamai for social. Protect law and peace, respect human diversity. B, E, and C, F. Answer number 1. Right? Answer number 1. Right. Next one. Select the correct statement related to government fiscal policy. Lamai, fiscal policy QM, it's always about government income, right? That is government revenue and government expenditure. හරිද? කොහෙන් හරි ඔයා දැනගත්තොත් from anywhere, if you understand that if there is some expense or income involved, that is the answer, right? Then let's see. Statutory reserve ratio. No, lamai. This is monetary policy. Refinancing facility. Ekat ba. Increase spending on education to 6%. Now that's the answer. Spending, government expenditure. Neda. So that is the answer number 3. That is the answer. Tamalu, treasury bills, issued treasury bills, that's with money supply. And increase the minimum amount to be deposited when opening a letter of credit, right? That is another thing. Hari lamai. Select which is not a function of the SLSI, right? The මේක ටික පාඩම් කරගන්න තමයි තියෙන්නේ SLSI ටික. Okay, SLSI ටික පාඩම් කරගන්න ළමයි තියෙන්නේ. This is a function of Consumer Affairs Authority, if I am not wrong, right? Consumer Affairs Authority වෙන්න ඇති මේවා ටික. හරිද? So 7ට 4. So ළමයි online students ලා ඔක්කොමලා එන්න පුළුවන් කට්ටිය සෙනසුරාදා එන්න Kings Institute එකට අනිවාර්යෙන්ම එන්න final paper 9 එකත් කරන්න. It will mean so much to me if you all can make it. Colombina Hamomen, right? I want to take some photos with you guys. I want to give you the awards, everything I want to do. Okay. 8. Select the answer which correctly matches the business organization with its relevant characteristic. With its relevant characteristic. හරිද? so ළමයි මේකේ තිබ්බම ඔයාට ගන්න පුළුවන් sole trader registration is compulsory unlimited liability. ඒක ගන්න පුළුවන්ද? බෑනේ. You know why? Registration is not compulsory ළමයි. Okay? Registration is not compulsory. Okay? Registration is not compulsory. State corporation එකේ මොකද්ද ප්‍රශ්නේ? ඒකේ හරි having a legality special law general act under the parliament. Partnership no legality registration or correct. This is correct. Right? Cooperatives member contribution belong to public sector. Cooperatives belong to public sector. No lamai. Cooperatives belong to private sector. Right? Atata eka. Following are some benefits of the organizations. Select the common advantage of public limited companies and private limited companies. දෙකටම පොදු ඒවා ටික අපි select කරගන්න ඕනේ. Right? හරිද? So, continuous existence, limited liability, legality. ADE. Answer number 2. Easy transferabilities, public limited. Can trade shares in the Colombo Stock Exchange is public limited, listed companies. Neither. Right, next one. Select the answer which is relevant to franchisee only. Select the answer which is relevant to franchisee only. Okay, franchisee only. බලන්න ළමයි. දැන් අපි ගත්තොත් the franchisee facing severe inconvenience because of the need of adherence to the franchise agreement. දැන් අර franchisee අබාන්ස් බල්ලා වගේ ඉතින් ඉන්න ඕනේ. අරගලන් කියන පදේට නටනට ඉන්න ඕනේ. right? ඊට පස්සේ publicity is easy. You know why ළමයි? Because ඒගොල්ලන්ට හොඳ brand name එකක් තියෙනවානේ. And then we have obtaining raw materials at a lower price. So ඒගොල්ලන් approved. So we are going to buy ළමයි the required raw material from the approved suppliers, from the approved franchisor suppliers, right? So we can get it at a lower price. Okay. Right. Question number 11. What is not accepted as a characteristics of entrepreneurship? Right? Creativity, commitment, self-confidence, self-reliant. Training is the answer. Training is lamai a method to increase. Right? It's a method to increase your entrepreneurial abilities lamai. තේරුණාද? So make අනිත් characteristic එක ගත්තොත් ළමයි it's willingness to take risks. Willingness to take risks. Which institution has put forward the criteria? Amount of electricity use. ළමයි amount of electricity පාවිච්චි කරලා තියෙන්නේ central bank එක. Right? Amount of electricity පාවිච්චි කරලා තියෙන්නේ central bank එක. Which are the following type of substitute money? Substitute money. Right? Substitute money is a debit card. That is a That's a debit card. Okay. Right. ඊට පස්සේ ළමයි 14 එක තියෙනවා. Suppose that you have your friend has 1 million. He wants to deposit in a fixed deposit. State which type of bank he should not go to. He should not go to. ෆික්ස් ඩිපොසිට් එකක් දාන්න බැරි කොහෙද කියලා. මෙන්න මේ වැනික් බැංක්ස් කියන එකේ තමයි බැරි. So ළමයි remember that these Vanik banks cannot be tested again but එක එක දැනගන්න එක FD මුකුත් නැහැ. Right. When a property has been insured in several insurance companies and if damage has occurred to it, payment of compensation by all the insurance companies for by it contributing proportionately. Very simple. ඔයාගේ loss එකක් තිබ්බා, right? You had put an asset for sale, right? And it will not an asset for sale. You have insured your asset in multiple companies, right? In multiple companies, right? ඊට පස්සේ ඩැමේජ් එක උනන් පස්සේ ඔක්කොම කම්පන්සේෂන් එක ඒකට අදාළව කම්පන්සේෂන් එක එකට අදාළව බේසික්ලි මොකෙන්ද එන්නේ කියලා තමයි අහන්නේ, right? So ළමයි that is coming from ළමයි contribution, right? Contribution. For balanced development of logistics which is not needed. Medium කියලා එකක් නැහැ. Right? Medium කියලා එකක් නැහැ. Right? What is the document sent by exporter to shipping company, right? Exporter to shipping company lama exporter will now let's say I am going to import some let's say perfumes from Dubai. I'm going to let's say import some perfumes from Dubai. In this situation, that Dubai guy, the Dubai perfume guy, will put the goods to the ship, right? And also when he hands over the hand over the goods to the ship captain, he will give a document saying the letter of indemnity, right? මේ letter of indemnity එක exporter ship captain ට දෙන්නේ because he wants to get a bill of lading, right? The USA guy or whoever wants to get a bill of lading, right? Bill of lading එකක් ගණ්ඩ තමයි you issue a letter of indemnity, right? So that's the first point you need to remember. Am I clear, guys, with that point? Is it clear? Let me know. Was it clear, Hamon? Okay. Right. Next one. The heart. 18 අපි බලමු. Uh, 18 ළමයි matches the above columns, right? Which matches the above columns. හරිද? Access the intermediate in internal and external conflicts. කවුද මේක? Negotiate. Make changes in the internal environment to suit the changing external environment. That is the entrepreneur, right? Face unexpected situations successfully. ඒ කවුද ළමයි? ඒ තමයි disturbance handler. Third එක changes in the entrepreneur. Motivating the subordinates is the leader, right? So the heartට උත්තරේ answer number 3. Question 19. Process of identifying alternative solutions, actions to solve a certain problem, and select the most suitable alternative. Lama is called as decision making, right? It's called as decision making. Ne? Yes, it's called decision making, right? Planning එක ඕනනම් ලියා ගන්න. ඕනනම් ඔයගලන්ට ඉක්මනට planning is the process of establishing goals and suitable courses of action. හරිද? හරි. එතකොට ළමයි, which of the following cannot be considered as a benefit of an optimum operational plan? Right? Oh, එකට කලින් sorry my bad. So decision making හරි. එතකොට organizing එකට organizing එකට ළමයි මම දෙන්නම් a definition. Process of allocating work, authority, and resources among the organization members to reach organizational goals. Right? Organizational goals. හරිද? ඔව් මොම තියෙනවා. Following are steps of controlling. Controlling වල steps තමයි establish standards, measure the performance, right? Identify deviations, take corrective actions. Right? Number 19, answer number 2. Number 20, answer number 4. Number 20, answer number 4. Which of the following cannot be considered as a benefit of an operational layout plan, optimum operational plan? Right? VCA. To acknowledge the progress of the business and correct deviations. ඒක තමයි එන්නේ නැත්තේනේ. Growth in efficiency is coming, right? Reduction in industrial accidents, improve employee morale, right? Easy communication, coordination, and supervision, right? Select the equation which correctly depicts the total productivity. That's answer number 2, right? හරි. ඊට පස්සේ following are some statements on marketing concepts and philosophies. දැන් බලන්න මේගොල්ලන් හිතපු විදිය බලන්න, right? By increasing production in a large scale at a lower cost and wide and efficient delivery, the consumer would buy the product. ළමයි මෙයා පුළුවන් තරම් බලන්නේ, this guy is trying to reduce the cost, right? When you reduce the cost ළමයි, or when you, let's say you have a good distribution tactics, your cost reduces, right? So you are able to be in a production concept. You are be able to you'll be able to be in a production concept, right? Production concept. ඊට පස්සේ products cannot be sold unless the consumer is motivated. Consumer is motivated කියලා basically කියන්නේ ළමයි හොඳට advertising කළා එන්න එහෙම තියෙනවා, right? එතකොට ඒකට අපි කියනවා මොකද්ද? Selling concept, right? ඊට පස්සේ තියෙනවා the presentation of goods which will satisfy each and every customer. The consumer would come forward to buy the product. කියන්නේ මොකටද? බලන්න promotional tools and consumer would buy come forward to buy it. Each and every customer ne lamai. Each and every customer. When they say each and every customer, here, look at this. Each and every customer. When they say this lamai, you need to understand that it's not marketing concept, but it is customer concept, right? It is customer concept. So answer 23 is answer number 3. Okay, right? Give me 1 second. Right. So each and every customer is a customer consent. 24. Select the answer which is not an objective of pricing. Increase the business related value of owners. Lamai, tell me what is the goal? මේ මොකේ ගෝල් එකද ළමයි? මේක මොකේ ගෝල් එකද? නම්බර් 1 එක. ළමයි, very good. Very good. Financial management වල goal එක නේ increase the business related value of owners නේ. Business related value of owners. හරි. 25. Short term investment decisions. Short term investment decisions. අපි බලමු short term investment decisions වල ළමයි මෙතනින් තියෙන creditors investment නේ. When you say investment it's like current it's like assets. Short term කිව්වම it's like current assets. Okay? So cash management is the answer. Cash is the one. So Lama, if it's a short-term financing, it's creditors. හරිද? Business modernization කියන්නේ ළමයි long-term investing. හරිද? Accrued expenses කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Accrued expenses කියන්නේ short-term creditors. Right? ඊට පස්සේ additions on business diversification. Business diversification කියන්නේ long term investment. හරි. 26. Select the financial instrument not traded in the capital market. Right? Capital market එකේ ළමයි නැත්තේ commercial papers. හරිද? Commercial rupee securities කියන්නේ guys basically these are securities which are denominated in rupees, right? It was a dollar securities කියලා තියෙනවා and එහෙම එක එක ඒවා තියෙනවා. Let me just quickly search it up and tell you. So these are bonds denominated in the home currency. Right? Rupee denominated can rupee securities. So, Lamai, rupee securities are also in the capital market, long term market. එකේ තියෙන්නේ. තේරුම් ගන්න. හරිද? හැබැයි commercial papers තියෙන්නේ short term market එකේ. What is an advantage of external recruitment? Question number 27. Externally අපි එළියෙන් එක්කෙනෙක්ව ගත්තොත් මොකක්ද advantage එක? I think it's answer number 2 because you get new knowledge. දැන් ඇතුලේ ඉන්න කට්ටිය, the people who are inside the business, they will be keep rotting, no new nothing. Okay? අලුතෙන් එළියෙන් එක්කෙනෙක් ආපුවම if there is someone who comes newly from outside, he will be able to bring new knowledge. He or she will be able to bring new knowledge. Okay. The systematic review of features and related behaviors of a job and the qualities and qualifications that should be possessed by employees is known as what? It's called a job analysis lamai because it has the characteristics of the job as well as the qualifications lamai. Job as well as the qualifications. හරිද? එතකොට ඔයාට ලේසි දෙකම ඇතුළත් වෙලා තියෙනවා. Job not only job description, not only job specification, but both job description, job specification are there. So totally together you are going to call it job analysis. Question number 29. Select the false combination. False combination එක ළමයි transaction processing system knowledge workers නෙමෙයි operational workers. හරිද? operational workers. Right? Select the answer which is not a component of the marketing plan. ළමයි මේකට මට උත්තරේ ඔයගලන් නිකමට දාන්න. මේකට මට උත්තරේ ඔයගලන් නිකමට දාන්න. 30ට. Your answer very good. Isma good. Yes. It's answer number 5 ළමයි. Very good. 31A. 31A. Any situation where buyers and sellers interact is known as market, right? Any situation. So, Lama, if they say any place where buyers and sellers meet, that's called marketplace. If they say uh, any connection where buyers and sellers connect, that's called Lamai market space. දැන් මෙතන කෙලිම සිටුේෂන් කියලා කියනවානේ ඉන්ටරැක්ට් කියලාත් කියනවානේ එතකොට ඒක market place වෙන්නත් පුළුවන් market space වෙන්නත් පුළුවන් so you put it as market beliefs values attitudes norms habits behavior shared among a business shared among business right is known as organizational culture and it is an internal environment. Right, it was efficient and just management. Question number 32 lamai. Efficient and just management එන්නේ owners ලට. Customers ලට එනවා ඔයාට ඕනම කැමතිම එකක් ලියා ගන්න පුළුවන්. 32ට ඔයාට ගන්න පුළුවන් be fair කියලා. Third one equality. Equality කියලා කියන්නේ ඒක මොන පාටි එකටද? Employees ලට. Right? And then society එකට බලනවා you have waste management. Okay? හරි. Expenditure incurred for smooth functioning of government services is recurrent expenditure, while expenditure on long term investments is capital expenditure. 33B, the blank policy will control the money supply, the monetary policy, and it is implemented by the Central Bank of Sri Lanka. These are stuff we already know, Lamai. 34B, the companies where the liability of shareholders being unlimited in comparison to the amount stated in the articles of association are called as what? These are called as unlimited companies. 35A, the type of finance institution which provides capital requirements for new entrepreneurs is known as venture capitalist. Venture capitalist, like have I don't know whether you all have watched Shark Tank. නේ මේ Shark Tank එකේ තියෙන්නම ඒගොල්ලන් අලුත් අයට ඉන්වෙස්ට් කරන්න දෙනවා, right? But in real this thing you call them venture capitalist, right? සමහර වෙලාවට business angels ලා කියලාත් කියනවා. Business angels ලා කියලා කියනවා because why do you call them business angels? Because they are like people who come and help you, right? They are angels. Okay, business angels. Or you're going to call it venture capitalists, right? Is known as venture capitalists. They will provide money for blank business acquisition and purchases, right? So not only Lamai for new businesses, they will give money for even existing uh, businesses. ඒගොල්ලන් සල්ලි දෙනවා, right? So 35A venture capitalists, yeah. Starting a new business, expansion, ඔය ටිකම තියෙනවා. 35B, the confirmation that an order check was transferred is done by Lamai endorsing. Endorsing වලින් තමයි එක confirm කරන්නේ. 36A, the storage method inside a warehouse to store thousands of books, right, is called automated storage system. මේක තමයි computer arm එකක් පාවිච්චි වෙන්නේ. Imports and exports usually happen direct and indirect, right? Direct and indirect. So basically, if I am importing something, I have the option to import it myself, right? Or I can import it by someone else. So that is indirect. That is indirect. Direct කියන්නේ මමම ගෙන්න ගන්නවා නම් if I am the person who is bringing it. Right. Right. ඔව්. මම පැන්නා නේද ඒක? නැද්ද? ඒක මම පැන්නානේ. Direct and indirect. ඊට පස්සේ legitimate power of an organization. නෑ පැන්නාද? Yeah, functions commanding or distributing resources is known as what? 37A is the authority. ළමයි, when you say authority, මෙන්න මේ මම මේ cursor එක තියන් තියෙන ටික අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම කියන්න ඕනේ. Right? If you are defining authority, you need to say operating various functions, commanding or distributing resources කියලා අනිවාර්යෙන් කියන්න ඕනේ ළමයි. Right? Is known as the blank, and the duty of blank will reduce due to this. So ළමයි, when you give the authority to people down, okay, when you give the authority to people downwards lamai, ඔයා top managers ලගේ duty එක අඩු වෙනවා, right? Top managers ලගේ the duty of the top managers reduces, right? Okay, 37B, ability to influence the behavior of an individual or a group with the purpose to achieve goals is leading, right? Leading. 38A, the total evaluation done by a customer regarding the ability of a good or service to satisfy consumer needs and wants is known as what, Lama? It's known as the value, right? It's known as value, right? It's known as value. මම හිතන්නේ අද පොඩ්ඩක් කට්ටිය අඩුයි මේ වැස්සයි සීන් එකයි එක්ක මේ but yeah. Harry, total evaluation done by regarding the customer, regarding the quality is the value. 38B, the kind of thought that can be sold and that is generated within the producer. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයාට අයිඩියා එකක් තියෙනවා නම් මොකක් හරි අයිඩියා එකක් තියෙනවා නම් ඔයාට ඒක සෙල් කරන්න පුළුවන්, right? That llama is called 38B is called the ideas, right? So there are 10 types of products, no? GS, what is GS? Goods and services. 2I, that is ideas, information. 2E, events and experience. 3P, people, places, properties. And finally, there is O, which is organizations. Yeah, people, places, properties, organizations. එතකොට මෙතනින් එන්නේ ළමයි අයිඩියා කියන ගුඩ් එක. 39A, the testing to measure the attitudes, passion, skills, values and norms of the candidate of the job is known as the personality test, while measuring the real ability of selected individuals is called practical test. The provision of knowledge, skills and attitudes to non-managerial employees. Lamai, non-managerial employees. Do you get training or development? Do you get training or development? Put it in the chat, Lamai. Do you get training or development? Very good. Training. Non-managerial employees let them get training. Okay. Required to perform duties well is known as training. And it is comparatively short or long, Lamai? Is it short term or long term? Is it short term or long term? Quickly put that also. Very good. Short term. Hurry. 40A, the employees who generate information inside the business is known as knowledge employees, while the employees who engage utilizing and communicating information, that is the data employees. Lamai, so let's say a lawyer replies to a customer or a client. හරිද? හොඳට අහගන්න. A lawyer replies to a customer or a client. Lawyer is the person lamai who will write the body of the letter, right? He is the person who will write the body of the letter. But the secretary and maybe the support staff, the data employees will only make the template, put it to the template, right, nicely and do it, right? So the lawyer is a knowledge employee. The secretary or someone is the data employee. Hari. Using various media such as picture, sound, letters, voice notes, and combining them is multimedia. Hathaliyata multimedia, right? Up until 40, are there any doubts? Let me know. Up until 40, are there any doubts? Let me know. No doubts, ne? Monahari doubt එකක් තියෙනවා නම් මගෙන් අහන්න. 41. State four factors that should be considered by a business when working towards economic sustainable development. Right, in the answer scheme, I have given economic development and stability, efficiency, competition, production and consumption, employment, international trade, all that are given. ඊට පස්සේ four advantages of cooperative societies, right? Advantages මොනවද? 10 people over 18 plus can get together and start it. Democratic control තියෙනවා. Goods and services reasonable price එකට ගන්න පුළුවන්. Right? එක එක activities කරන්න පුළුවන්. Right? Mutual cooperation එකකුත් ඇති වෙනවා. Right? ඊට පස්සේ state for entrepreneurial skills. තමයි entrepreneurial skills හතරයි තියෙන්නේ. Leadership, basic management, communication, interpersonal. Quickly put me the five characteristics ළමයි. Quickly put me the five characteristics. What are the five? ISMA very good. Creativity, commitment, self-confidence, self-reliant and willingness to take risk. Nitya Balamu. Sanojini, there is one more, willingness to take risk. Johan sir, very good. So guys, එක මතක තියාගන්න 2C2SW කියලා. Right? Remember it as 2C2SW. Task environment is lamai 2C2SPI, okay? Customer, competitor, supplier, substitute, good producer, potential investor. This is 2C2SW, which means lamai creativity, commitment, self-confidence, self-reliant, and then finally the willingness to take risk. Okay, whatever way, if you all can remember, that's it. Hari, for electronic communication methods, Lama, you can write anything you want. Mobile phone, write WhatsApp, all that. ඊට පස්සේ transporting wheat flour from Trinco to Hambantota, right? Waterway. Right, the මෙතන I know sometimes it might not make sense, but අර Trinco to Hambantota port එකක් තියෙනවනේ නේ. ඊට පස්සේ transporting fruits from Galle to Kadawatha, that's the highway. Diesel from BIA, that's the railway. BIA කියන්නේ බණ්ඩාරනායක International Airport, කටුනායක. Airway, UN representatives are coming. That's an airway. Okay, 46A, two principles of planning. ළමයි principles of planning ඔක්කොම ඔයාට වෙනුවෙන්ම දාලා තියෙනවා. Clearly stated goals and objectives, specific time duration, practicability, flexibility. ළමයි, if you all want, you all can view a seminar that I did last year. It is a management seminar, right? ඔගලන්ට කැමති නම් ඒක ඔගලන්ට බලන්න පුළුවන්. It's on YouTube. 46B, Samantha Kumar is an executive director of a certain company. He takes the decision and asks feedback from others. Sometimes he firstly asks the opinion of others before taking the decision. What type of leadership is followed by Mr. Samantha 46B? So he's basically a democratic leader. නේ මොකද එයා before he takes the final decision lamai, he will ask from the employees. He will ask from the employees. That's why. Next one, two ways of increasing material productivity. Material productivity එක වැඩි කරන්න පුළුවන් high quality raw material, minimizing waste and discards, right? Maintaining material stock, reuse and recycling, ඔන්න ඔය ටික පුළුවන්. Right. Direct benefits and indirect benefits of what? Investing in shares, right? Investing in shares. Okay. So dividends, capitalization of reserves, rights issue, capital gains, මේ ටික හොඳට මතක තියාගන්න. And then indirect benefits is the ordinary shareholder is entitled to be appointed as a director, right? ඊට පස්සේ you can use these securities, you can use these instruments lamai to you can use these instruments to keep it as a collateral when you are obtaining a loan. Okay, capital gains are free from tax. හරිද? වගේ ඒවා තියෙනවා. Functions of an information system, මෙහෙම කිව්වොත් it's feedback, processing, storing, input, output එන්න එහෙම. Right? ඊට පස්සේ තියෙනවා two main analysis of business idea, macro analysis and micro analysis. Okay, state two cash inflows in the estimated cash flow statement lamai, that is the inflows කියද්දී අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන් sale of non current assets, receipt from debtors එන්න එහෙම කියන්න පුළුවන්, right? Let me know if you guys have any doubts in this. මේක නම් fairly easy paper. එතකොට ළමයි මම මේකේ ෆයිනල් පේපර් 6 එක sorry homework paper 6 එක ඊළඟ සතිය වෙනවානේ, right? plan එකේ බලන්න පුළුවන්. The homework paper 6 will be done next week. Homework paper 7, I did it on YouTube. Homework paper 7, I did it on YouTube. Let me show that to you. Yes. Just give me one moment. Yeah. So homework paper 7 එක ළමයි මම recording එකක් කරා. Right? ඒක ඕගලන් ගිහිල්ලා බලන්න. ඊට පස්සේ ඔයාට ඒක දාන්න. හෝම් එතකොට මට අපි ඊළඟ සතියේ දැන් අපි හෙට ඩිස්කස් කරනවා ෆයිනල් පේපර් 10 එක ළමයි. නේ ෆයිනල් පේපර් 10 එක අපි ඩිස්කස් කරනවා. හරිද? ඊට පස්සේ ෆයිනල් පේපර් 9 එක ඩිස්කස් කරනවා next Wednesday, right? And homework paper 6 එක ඩිස්කස් කරනවා next Thursday. එතුට පස්සේ මට recordings 3යි දාන්න තියෙන්නේ YouTube එකේ homework paper 8, 9, 10. I will do that as soon as possible. I will do that. ඕගලන් බය වෙන්න එපා ඒකට. මම ඒක කොහොම හරි ඉවර කරලා දෙන්නම් homework paper 8, 9 and 10. right? එතකං ඔයාට තියෙනවා ගොඩක් වැඩ ටික කරන්න. යාළුවෝ මොනවා හරි recording බලන්න නැත්නම් ඒගොල්ලන්ටත් බලන්න කියන්න guys. I am very proud of the journey you guys have come, right? It's almost coming to an end now, right? So කරන්න මේක ඉවර කරලා දාමු අපි හොඳ ලෙවල් එකකින් ඉවර කරලා දාන්න. මට නිකන් chat එකේ කියන්න ඕගොල්ලෝ මට personal chat එකක් දාන්නකෝ. What's the current result that you can get? Be honest to yourself. I'm your teacher now, you can be honest to me now. What's the current result you can get? Put it in the chat. A or B or C or D or E or F or I don't know. මොකක්ද ඔයාලට ගන්න පුළුවන්? Let's see. I love the confidence. Very good. Okay. So ඕගලන් හිතපු result එකට A කියපු අය හොඳයි. Very good. Keep that confidence. හොඳට confidently යන්න බය නැතුව යන්න. හරිද? B C කියපු කට්ටිය y'all are going to get an A. You guys are going to get an A, right? Sorry, I can't switch on the camera right now, but just manifest that you are going to get an A. First thing, when you want something in life, guys, you have to manifest it. Manifesting means වා ඒක ගැනම හිතන්න ඕනේ. හිතන්න. කොහොම හරි ඒකක් ගන්න. ඒකක් මට හම්බ වෙනවා. ඒකක් ගන්නවා කියලා හිතන්න එපා. You think that you are getting an A. You are getting an A. Manifest it. Manifest it as much as possible, right? And when you on the day you get your result, there will be an A in front of business studies. There will be an A in front of economics and A in front of accounting, right? God willing, it will happen, right? Don't worry about anything. Everything will fall into place ළමයි, right? BC කියපු කට්ටිය ඕගලන් හිතන්නේ අද ඉඳලා දැන් මේ මොහොතේ ඉඳලා ඒකක් මට හම්බ වෙනවා. මට ඒකක් හම්බ වෙනවා. I am getting an A. I am getting an A කියලා හිතන්න. You will definitely get, right? Everything will fall into place. ඔයා දන්නවා කරන්න ඕන වැඩ ටික මොනවද කියලා දන්නවා. තියෙන time එකක් දන්නවා, right? You will be able to do it. හරිද? push කරන්න කොහොම හරි. right? C එක B එකට දාලා B එක A එකට දාගන්න. හරිද? ඕගලන් බය වෙන්න එපා කිසිම දෙයකට. right? BC කියන කට්ටිය අනිවාර්යෙන් ඕගලන් ඒකක් ගන්නවාමයි. right? හැමෝම මේ ක්ලාස් එකේ මම කොහොම හරි මගේ විශ් එක තියෙන හැමෝටම A's තියෙන්න ඕන. හැමෝටම A's තියෙන්න ඕන. එච්චරයි. හරිද? so හෙට ඕගලන් join වෙන්න final paper 10 එක discuss කරන්න. That's the final second part we have, right? And on Saturday, Lamai, everyone come to the institute. Everyone come to the institute to King's Nugegoda at 9 a.m. Please come. Okay. Everyone come. Ogalang already pay එක කරලා නම් ඒත් කමක් නැහැ. ඔගලන් එන්න, right? There is going to be a little award presentation. With that, it's going to be the end of our class, right? but we will have the Wednesday and Thursday session as well. Physical session එක අන්තිම Saturday. So please come for that. Okay, guys. All the best. Wish you guys all the best. Good night. And please study hard, guys. Take care. Bye. God bless. Take care, guys. මොන හරි doubts තියෙනවා නම් මම චුට්ටක් වෙලා ඉන්නම්. Let me know. Thank you, guys. Take care. God bless you. Bye. Take care, guys.